how to add the OneNote Toolbar Widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on widgets. In here, scroll down, then tap on OneNote, and then scroll down. After that, touch and hold on the OneNote Toolbar Widget, and then drag it to your home screen and let go. That's it. Now if you want to delete them, you can touch and hold and then tap on remove to delete them. Once the toolbar is already on your home screen, you can quickly take a picture by tapping on the camera icon, and here you will be able to create a picture note. Or you can create an audio note by tapping on the microphone right there. This will allow you to quickly record your audio note by tapping on the start button, and that will allow you to immediately create an audio note. Once you're finished, just tap on stop, and that will save in here. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.